the people of Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu has rejected the Congress's claims in a cash for votes scandal. Our correspondent Vishal Baristo spoke to him. Let's listen into what Pema Khandu had to say about the Congress's charges.
Arunachal goes to polls on the 11th of this month, both for Lok Sabha and Assembly elections. And the Chief Minister Pema Khandu claims that BJP will win all 62 seats, 60 Assembly and 2 Lok Sabha. I have with me the Chief Minister, who is just out of the Prime Minister's rally. Let me talk to him. Pema ji, you are just out of the rally. How has been the rally a big booster for your state?
In fact, today in Pasighat we had a huge rally where Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has participated, and people are so excited to see him. People are so excited to hear him. His good vision for the entire state. And here in Arunachal, already people has already made up their mind that this time also in the state BJP will come to power, and also in Delhi also Narendra Modi ji will come to power.
Pema ji, you had only 2 years, and in these 2 years, in such a short term, what magic did you do that you are so confident that it is only BJP and only BJP?
I won't term it as a magic, because it was a pulse of the people, which people wanted development and a clean government. And with the support of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, for the last 2.5 years, we have done a lot of things with the support of Narendra Modi ji. So people are so excited to vote for BJP this time.
Congress has raised level charges against you that you are guilty of cash for votes. How do you react to that?
I totally deny these charges. This is the practice which the Congress does, not the BJP. I have heard about the incident in Pasighat yesterday night, and this morning only I came to know about it. At the moment, Election Commission of India, they are monitoring the matter, and also the IT department. And also I have called the party president also to look into the matter. And obviously in coming days we will come to know exactly what's the picture.
One last question. Pema means lotus as well. So this time Pema of Arunachal is with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So how lucky is it going to be?
Yeah, obviously Pema means lotus, and this time is going to be a double-engined Sarkar. Pema Sarkar in Arunachal Pradesh and Modi Sarkar in Delhi. So double engine will work tremendously and very effectively for the interest of the state and for the interest of the nation.
So there you heard a very confident and beaming Chief Minister. He says that the double engine would work for the double progress of the state. With cameraman Reddy in Pasighat, this is Vishal Baristo, DD News.